Mod Nationals. Please start. Please start. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's flat. Doesn't even show up on the gauge. Today is the last day, so it's eliminations. If Jay loses in the race, he's done. He noticed this morning that his tires were flat, so he's airing those up and then we're heading to the track. He also only lives 5 minutes away from the track, unlike me, who's 5 hours away from the track, so he's lucky. I got some donuts. I got donut nut all over the box. And it got all over my shirt. This is not Jay's nut, this is donut nut. Looks NA. Steeda's packing it up. They keep chucking belts, so they're done. Bye, Steeda. Go ahead, it's okay.
Laddered up for your first round of competition.
Get the camera low, guys. The DA is negative 300 in comparison to yesterday where it was like 1800. So the car is making more boost and it's making it faster. So Jay tweaked the suspension a little bit and he turned up the boost in first gear so he can leave a little bit harder. We're hoping for like a 9.4 or 9.5 pass. That would be ideal. They're moving a lot faster through the classes today, so we should be getting our pass here shortly, and hopefully Jay can do a couple rounds before we lose. Ready, baby.
How about Quentin Maris, the pickup truck? Our number 8 qualifier.
It's not even, it's Sphinxy.
I had a little bit of spice to it.
You think I get a couple of gallons of man, you can get it off. Come on, I'm just taking it back home.
Alright, they called us. It's time. I think the car he's going against is a red SN95 and I have no clue what's done to it. I can't hear a blower or turbos. Maybe it's a nitrous car. I don't know. You're good! You're good! You're good!
To take off all that burnout box rubber. They're veteran owned and American made. Check them out for demos, questions at their vendor booth in the manufacturer's midway here at the 2022 Mod Nationals.
Like strips of rubber like this are just beating the side of the car.
We're sponsoring the 2022 Mod Nationals.
It looked good.
It's going great. It's about to be the fastest pass ever.
What happened?
Again, non-outlaw cars. You should be at the top of the lane, so you can ladder up.
No.
No time car. No time car.
Bro
We'll see
missed
that
third.
car back for round number
Missed third
2.
and ran a 9.7 though.
I'm thinking like maybe when I'm running, it's just I'm too in the zone. I'm just strong arming it.
What does he say? It's a skill issue?
Skill issue. I'm trying to hit fifth actually. And it's getting there.
You just need to block off play for fifth.
Yeah, I hit fifth that time. At the end of the day, we lost because I missed third. That's my bad. But I think we could have maybe caught up had we been making that 16 pounds of boost that we're targeting instead of 12. I think we could have came around the guy, because by the time I got down to the quarter-mile flag, I was probably right. My wheel was probably right with his back wheel. So I think if we had a little bit more, we might have been able to catch up. It wouldn't have been a pretty pass, but it would have got us to the next round. Just really a skill issue. And I don't know, we'll see. We'll make the car faster. I'm looking forward to another test and tune. Car's only gonna keep getting faster, and a 1:44. That's the best 60-foot time. That's up there with the auto cars, with Parker's car and David's car. So. Well, the whole time we were sitting here, the car was keyed on. So.
Also often provide areas, race
thank you.
cans, light battery setups, as well as performance packages for your 2015 and newer.
Out of here a lot earlier today. Well, I kind of wish that Jay went a little bit further, but at the same time, I still have like a 5-hour drive back to Florida where I am staying for work. So I guess it's kind of a good thing that we weren't there until midnight tonight, because then I wouldn't have gotten back until like 5 in the morning. Right now, it's looking like I'll get there at about 10. Next time I'm back here is going to be to pick up STANGRY. The new trans and drive shaft are going to get here, I want to say, the end of next week. So shouldn't be too long. That's pretty exciting. Hopefully I can keep the car together after that for a while. Then I can hit the strip with Jay. He's going to be running 9.5s. Hopefully I'm running 9.5s with him. Both running that Hellhorse Twin kit. So I'm really excited for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let me know what you want to see with the cars, and I'll try my best to make it happen. But as far as this one, that's all. See you in the next one.